Hello, my name is Jonny Romero, and I'm going to be making jalapeno poppers. So the ingredients are on the counter, the ones that you'll need to make this dish. So right now you'll be needing 12 slices of bacon, but I'm going to cut it in half to make 12 because this is only 6, but it's too long to fit these jalapeno peppers. We want to go overboard. And talking about the jalapeno peppers, we'll need 6 of those. We're going to cut that in half, take out all the seeds and everything from the middle, and to make it all clean so we can put the cream cheese. Now the cream cheese, we're going to have sharp cheddar cheese, and we're going to have cream cheese, and this will both have to equal half a cup. And what I'm going to do with the sharp cheddar cheese, I'm going to grate it, and I'm going to measure it in this measuring cup and see if it's up to half, and if it is, I'm going to add it in this bowl. Do the same thing for the cream cheese and start mixing it up. Well, the first thing we have to do is wash our hands. So right now, we have to wash our hands really good. And some soap. And wash. Alright, so we do that. Like this, dry it off really good. We don't want any soapy water in our food. And once that is done, we start the peppers. Well, first the bacon. We would have to cut these in half. So what you do is just basically just cut it in half like this. Move this to the side. Grab a plate. And just separate them. And commonly people won't follow steps, and it'll become too much or too little of what they need, and they would have leftovers, or they would have too little of what they need. So what you do is you separate them. I'm going to separate these. So I can finish this off. Alright, and now I've done that. I'll wash our hands again. But now we have to wash our hands and cutting board with the chef's knife. You could just rinse it off and do the same cutting board. Alright. More. Alright. Now, what we're going to do is start with the peppers. So now, I'm going to cut them in half. So what we can do, well, we have to take off this and cut it in half like such. Okay. And we have to take all the stuff from the middle out. What you can do is do this. Be careful though. Alright. And if you want, you could leave some seeds in so it can make it spicier. Since I'm going to make this for my family as well, some don't like it as spicy as I do. And this is why I also picked this dish, because I really like spicy food, and I just like how jalapenos, the bacon, and the cream cheese complement each other's taste. It's really good. Do the same here. like such. Okay, and now I'm gonna do one more. Same. And then get half. And take out all this stuff from the middle. Alright. And as well as this one. And there. Alright, so I already cut the jalapeno peppers in half and took out most of the stuff. Now I'm going to put it in cauldron and I'm going to wash it to make it all good and clean. Alright, I washed my jalapenos already, and I did grated my sharp cheddar cheese, and I put my cream cheese in there already, and they both add up to half a cup. And now what I have to do is add both of them to this bowl. Get all the cheese, and you make sure you have all of it, because you don't want to leave some out, because they have to be precise. Add cream cheese, and I'm going to start mixing them. Alright, and now I did stir both the cheeses. You don't have to stir them real good because they will melt with the jalapenos and the bacon in the oven. So now what I have to do is I have to add them to the jalapenos. And now what you would have to do alright, and try to get top from bottom. There we go. And then once that's done, do the other one. Alright, I did wrap some already, but I'm going to show you how I did. Start from the top, hold it, go around. There you go. It's a simple process. I start with the thickest side to the top, then the thin. Once it's going thick and thin, you could start from the top with the thick and the thin to the bottom. Like that. And that's how you do it. Come over here. Start putting them on the pan. Like that. And then you would have to put it in the oven. And gotta bake them for 15 minutes. And that's it. Alright, now that is done, I'm going to start plating the jalapeno poppers. There are my jalapeno poppers.